One of the problems I'm finding with creating videos with Make.com is that you need to upload them somewhere. I mean, you need to save them somewhere where they can be publicly viewable. And solutions such as YouTube, Vimeo, Google Drive, you find that they have upload limits. And basically, I'm finding I'm hitting these kind of limits every now and again that I need to upload more than 20 videos in a day, which is around about what the YouTube limit, 20 to 30 can be the YouTube limit. And I'm finding similar problems with Google Drive and also with Vimeo. So what I've actually worked out is that Google Cloud Storage has gigabytes of potential uploads and there's no upload limit for it. So what I'm going to show you today is how to actually use Make.com to upload videos into Google Cloud. Okay, so here we are in Google Cloud console itself. It's console.cloud.google.com. I'm assuming that you know how to set up an account and you have a Google account with this one. So we set up a project. I won't show you through how to set up a project, but it's pretty simple. And we go create a storage bucket. And we'll just wait for that to start up. Now you need to pick a globally unique permanent name. So let's just, in this case, I'll just mash the keyboard. Let's just do that. Actually, let's not do that. Let's create something useful. We'll go video, upload, YT, and we'll go the date today being the 14th of January 2026. We'll go continue. Now, you can choose multi-region, but basically what I'm finding is easiest is just to choose your local region. We'll go, for me, I'm in Melbourne, Australia. You'll see here's the cost at 0.023 cents per gigabyte. I believe the first 5 gigabytes of storage is actually free, but don't quote me on that. But that'll be the price then. It's actually pretty cheap. Continue. Now, choose how to store your data. I've chosen standard because I want short-term storage and frequently accessed data, but you can choose yours as you need to be. Move myself out of the way. I don't worry about any of this stuff. Now, importantly, you need to untick enforce public access prevention because later in the piece we're going to need to access it as for public because you need to be able to display those videos to people once they're uploaded. Soft delete policy, the default is fine for that, and we go create. And we'll just wait for that create. I have actually got one that I prepared earlier which we'll actually use for this, but that's how you go through actually creating a bucket. So there's our bucket name, which is important for Make.com. Let's have a look at Make.com and how we actually upload files into this particular bucket. So earlier in the piece, I've created a video using Sora 2 just for the purposes of demonstration for this. We're going to use get a video, and I've hard-coded in the video ID. I mean, you'd be smarter to actually, let's say, it's not going to let me, but basically you can use the create video and directly get a video via the ID from the create a video step. But there's a little bit of lag time that sort of takes to actually create the video. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to create it using a hard-coded existing video ID. So that's what we do. We get a video using Sora 2. We create, now we've got the Google Cloud Storage, which is kind of the important data. Now, create a connection. It's an OAuth connection. It's basically, when you open this step, it gives you the option to OAuth through to Google, which I have done. Project ID, if we go back to Google Cloud, you'll see that our project ID is this one here. Just that one there. And go back to Make, we copy that into the project ID. You could get that dynamically if you wanted to, but I'm not going to do it for this purpose. Same with the bucket. Here's one I created earlier, video-test-YouTube. it's created with the same process as I previously showed you. You map a file, being the OpenAI get a video, which is the previous step. That's the data. The content type is video/MP4, and we want a simple upload. And basically all I'm doing in this case is uploading it to Google Cloud Storage and then copying it into Google Sheets. Okay, so the search method, search by path, my drive, I've created a spreadsheet ID video storage demo, sheet 1, table contains headers. It looks like this. It's a very simple Google Sheet with video URL. Go back to make.com. Now, this part here is important. The Google, for unknown reasons, when you upload an object, doesn't give you a suitable output. By output, I mean one of these particular links. I mean, it has a media link here for download, but it doesn't have a media link for viewing. So we need to create that. And it's fairly simple. We just go this particular URL, https://storage.google.apis.com, sorry, googleapis.com, the bucket name, and then importantly, don't forget this slash, and then the video name, being the video name from the previous piece of data. Okay, so we'll save that. We have a hard-coded video ID, so we can run this at any stage. Let's run it. Okay, just wait for this to complete. We're uploading an object into Google Cloud Storage, and we're copying the URL to the Google Sheets as a proxy for output, effectively. And you'll see here, it's created as the URL of the video. Let's run the video. Go to the link. Just wait for him to come up. Through. Sound of a tiger running through a forest here. A bit of a lame video, but you can see this will play back, and this will play back from anywhere because we've enabled public access. Actually, that's something I didn't show you. We need, with these videos, we need to enable public access, which is a little bit tricky. So the previous video worked because I was uploading to a different bucket, but we need to, there is a help document making data public, but let's actually show you how I actually did it. Permissions, and we want to add permissions, so we will go grant access, assign roles. Now, new principals, what we need here is the word all users, spelled like that, and we'll go on. As it says, it makes this resource public and accessible to anyone in the internet. And there's a specific role we need for that to limit it a little bit. I wonder if I've still got it in paste. No, I haven't. Let me get it for you. It is the help article we have here actually shows us. It's this one here, roles/storage.object viewer. Now this is very important, otherwise it won't work. So need to paste that there. Storage object viewer is the one we want. And we go save. What that does is it allows public access to be able to view the objects, being the videos, within this bucket. And we'll see it come up here. All users, storage object viewer. Now we will be able to view videos from anywhere, from any person in this bucket. So that's a very important step. Don't miss that step. Anyway, that's it. Basically, we have this video storage URL, and we're kind of unlimited in the number of videos when I upload. There is a cost involved. It's very, very small, especially for these small videos, and potentially free under the 5 gigabyte limit for Google Storage Cloud. Thank you very much.